Good day, everyone, and welcome to Cad-Cafe. On this tutorial, we're taking you through on how to use the Convert Entity tool. Right, so quickly, let's just start a sketch on the top plane. All right, let's just sketch a circle, and then let's just try, let's just extrude it a little bit. Okay, so let's just try and then sketch on this plane. You notice that this is the plane of which we are sketching a top plane, and we brought it to this distance. You extruded the circle to this distance. Okay, so let's just try and sketch on this plane. All right, on the same plane but at this distance. All right, so let's to do that we need to just sketch on the top plane again, and then let's just try to convert entities. All right, so you see that you try to hide this right now. See that we have two entities. So with the circular I had here now has been converted to here. All right. Okay, so now to do that, so you go ahead to can go ahead to sketch on this plane right now. So let's just sketch on this plane. Just make this normal. Let's sketch a circle on this plane. And then let's use the extruded cut. You won't take it all through, just skip it. We'll make it half. Alright, let's just make it mid plane. Alright, so you can see. Alright, so we brought this here and then we were to sketch on this. Alright, so let's just try to sketch on a different plane entirely. Let's try to convert entities to different plane entirely. So let's just use our right plane. First of all, let's just add the plane and then set the reference plane to it. We want to sketch on the right plane. Okay, so it has reference this. Okay, right now, and this is supposed to be here, right? But it's supposed to be at 0, 0. Okay, so and you can actually take it out to whatever distance. So let's assume I want to sketch on this plane. All right. Okay, so I've added a plane. I'll make it normal and then let me add a sketch. So to do that, I'll simply have to highlight all these lines. Let me just go ahead and do this. See if it's highlight. Nope. Let me highlight it one after the order. All right. So let's just tilt it to see. Wow. So you could see that our entity has been converted. So what we converted this circle at this perspective. Okay, from the perspective of the right plane. Okay, so you see that all you see there is a rectangle. So from your basic drawing skills, if you want to understand this. So as if you're viewing from this side. So what you actually see is, let me make this. So what you're seeing, this is a circle, but what you're seeing is a rectangle from this view. Okay, so you're basically converting this right to this. Okay, let's just go ahead to converting the view of the rectangle to this plane. So let's just try and see if we can convert the circular sketch, okay, to a different plane and then on the top plane still. So let's just quickly add a plane. So let's just exit this and then let's just add a plane and then let's reference it from top plane. Okay, and then oh, should go so far. Let's just bring it down a little bit. Okay, that is bring it down. Okay, so that is okay. And then let's just go ahead and sketch add a plane. add a sketch to it. I mean, all right. So I'll add a sketch, and then I'll make the sketch normal. So let's just go ahead and convert entity. Convert entity. All right. So you see that, see that. So I'll actually taking the circle from here, this plane to the same plane, but at a different distance. All right. So I'm choose to let me see if you could adjust the distance of the plane. Let's see if you could adjust. All right. So you could adjust the distance. All right. So just to have a good view, and then that's it. Okay. So and then you may choose to just sketch again on this plane. This is the plane. Choose to sketch on this plane. Or let's just try and extrude this, and then you extrude it. Let's just make it face this side. Okay, you know what? Let's just try and also try to see if we can actually convert this entity also. All right, so on this plane, I'll try to convert this entity. Oh, it's telling me I can't. So maybe I would have done that if actually I let me see. Can I like this convert entity? Okay, all right, so I can actually do that. So you see now I'm able to convert both the inner circle and the outer circle. So let's just see if we can do something with it to extrude, and then let's make this come this way. Okay, let's just go ahead and make this. Okay, so you can see that let's just the future again. Let's just keep it the way it is. Okay, so you could see that we have actually done beautiful work. Okay, so and then you may still choose to let's see if we can actually edit this and then make it similar sketch. Okay, so uh, that's a little bit push us to stay here longer than to expect this. Okay, so you might as well just choose to just extrude this first and then probably convert the other entity and then do it again. Let's just see how that goes. All right, okay, let's just stop there. Right, so so this is how to convert entities, you know, and this is why we need to convert entities. So you don't need to start drawing the entire shape or sketch or whatever again. Just simply convert the entity and then go ahead to do what you want to do. And you may want to sketch on the same plane or different planes, but reference the drawing. All right, so you may go ahead to change to sketch to convert entities. So right, so this is that for the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and comment if you have any problem. Do have a nice day. Bye.